Chapter 3 Arithmetic Progression. What we will learn in this chapter? Sequence, arithmetic progression, nth term of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP, application of AP, sequence. A set of numbers which are arranged in a definite order is called a sequence. Two types of sequences: arithmetic progression, geometric progression. We will only learn arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression AP? The sequence where the next term is obtained by adding a particular number to the previous number. Difference between two consecutive terms is constant. A be the first term and D be the difference between two consecutive terms, where D can be negative, positive or 0. Then the AP can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus ND. Nth term in AP. Nth term in AP, rule to remember. If A is the first term and D is the common difference, then nth term of AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus n minus 1 D. How to find nth term in AP? Find 23rd term of a sequence 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Here, first term A is equal to 8, difference D is equal to 4, n is equal to 23. Nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, 23rd term is equal to T23 can be calculated as T23 is equal to 8 plus 23 minus 1 into 4 is equal to 8 plus 22 into 4 is equal to 8 plus 88 is equal to 96. Answer: 23rd term of given sequence is 96. How to find n if nth term of AP is given? Which term is minus 151 in AP? 11, 8, 5, 2. Here the first term A is equal to 11. Difference D is equal to minus 3. Nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, minus 151 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Therefore, minus 151 is equal to 11 minus 3n plus 3. Therefore, minus 151 is equal to 14 minus 3n. Therefore, minus 151 minus 14 is equal to minus 3n. Therefore, minus 165 is equal to minus 3n. Therefore, n is equal to 165 upon 3 is equal to 55. Answer: minus 151 is 55th term in the given AP. Check whether given term is in the AP. Check whether 123 is in the sequence 6, 9, 12 and so on. First term A is equal to 6. Difference D is equal to 3. Nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, 123 is equal to 6 plus n minus 1 into 3. Therefore, 123 is equal to 6 plus 3n minus 3. Therefore, 123 is equal to 3 plus 3n. Therefore, 123 minus 3 is equal to 3n. Therefore, 120 is equal to 3n. Therefore, n is equal to 120 upon 3 is equal to 40. As n is an integer, 123 is part of given sequence. Find nth term if pth and qth term of AP are given. Eleventh and 24th term of AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find 41st term of that AP. We know that nth term Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the difference. T11 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 d. Therefore, 16 is equal to a plus 10d is the equation 1. T24 is equal to a plus 24 minus 1 into d. Therefore, 29 is equal to a plus 23d is the equation 2. Solving equations 1 and 2. Subtracting 1 and 2. A plus 10d is equal to 16 minus a plus 23d is equal to 29. So we get minus 13d is equal to minus 13. Therefore, d is equal to 1. Substituting d is equal to 1 in equation 1. A plus 10 is equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to 6. Calculating 41st term with a is equal to 6 and d is equal to 1. T41 is equal to 6 plus 41 minus 1 into 1. T41 is equal to 6 plus 40 is equal to 46. Answer: 41st term of the AP is 46. Sum of the first n terms of an AP. Rules to remember. For the given arithmetic progression, if a is the first term and d is the difference, then nth term is equal to Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of first n terms, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to Sn is equal to Na plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 into d. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to Sn is equal to n upon 2 first term plus last term. Finding sum of first n terms of AP. Find the sum of first 124 even natural numbers. First term in the sequence of even natural numbers is 2. Difference between two consecutive even natural numbers is 2. So we have a is equal to 2, d is equal to 2 and n is equal to 124. As per the formula of sum of first n terms of AP, sum of first n terms, Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So, S124 is equal to 124 upon 2 into 2 into 2 plus 124 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 62 into 4 plus 123 into 2 is equal to 62 into 4 plus 123 into 2 is equal to 62 into 4 plus 246 is equal to 62 into 250 is equal to 15,500. Answer: sum of first 124 even natural numbers is 15,500. When two intermediate terms in a sequence are given. 19th term in a sequence is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. Given T19 is equal to 52 and T38 is equal to 128. Using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. T38 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. 52 is equal to A plus 18D is the equation 1. 128 is equal to A plus 37D is the equation 2. We need to solve equations 1 and 2. Subtracting equations 1 and 2, A plus 37D is equal to 128 minus A plus 18D is equal to 52. So we get 19D is equal to 76. D is equal to 4 is the equation 3. Putting value of D is equal to 4 in equation 1. A plus 18D is equal to 52. A plus 18 into 4 is equal to 52. A plus 72 is equal to 52. A is equal to 52 minus 72. A is equal to minus 20 is the equation 4. Using A is equal to minus 20 and D is equal to 4, we need to find the sum of first 56 terms. Sum of first n terms is equal to Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 multiplied by 2 into minus 20 plus 56 minus 1 into 4. S56 is equal to 28 into minus 40 plus 55 into 4. 28 into minus 40 plus 220 is equal to 28 into 180 is equal to 5040. Answer: sum of first 56 terms is 5040. Let us see the same by using activity method. Application of AP. Sum: there is an auditorium with 25 rows of seats. There are 18 seats in first row, 20 seats in second row, 22 seats in third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in 15th row and find how many total seats in an auditorium. Given information is: first term in sequence is equal to A is equal to 18. difference between two terms is equal to D is equal to 2. To find T15 and S25, using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T15 is equal to 18 plus 15 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 18 plus 14 into 2 is equal to 18 plus 28 is equal to 46. So number of seats in 15th row are 46. Using Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into 2 into 18 plus 25 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 25 upon 2 into 36 plus 48 is equal to 25 upon 2 into 84 is equal to 25 into 42 is equal to 1050. So total seats in an auditorium are 1050. Answer: number of seats in 15th row are 46. Total number of seats in an auditorium are 1050. Multiple choice questions. Arithmetic progression. Question: what are the first four terms of an AP whose first term is minus 3 and common difference is minus 3? Option A: minus 3, 0, 3, 6. Option B: minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. Option C: minus 3, 3, 9, 15. Option D: 3, 6, 9, 12. Answer: first term is minus 3. Next term is minus 3 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 6 and so on. So answer is B. Question: for an AP, common difference is 4. Then what is T17 minus T11? Option A: 20, B: 28, C: 24, D: 4. Answer: there are total 7 numbers including 11th and 17th. The difference between 11th and 17th number will be 6 times common difference, so 24. So answer is option C. Question: what is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? Option A: 55, B: 45, C: 50, D: 60. Answer: using formula n upon 2 first term plus last term is equal to 10 upon 2 1 plus 10 is equal to 55. So the answer is option A. Question: the sequence minus 18, minus 14, minus 10, minus 6 is option A: AP as D is equal to minus 4, B: AP as D is equal to 4, C: AP as A is equal to 18, D: not AP. Answer: the common difference is minus 14 minus minus 18 is equal to 4. So correct option is